If you want to learn how to create beautiful batik paintings on Japanese rice paper in watercolor, then you must watch this video. Watercolor batik is a really fun process where you take super thin Japanese rice paper, you paint with watercolor onto the paper, then you use wax as a resist, and when the whole paper is completely covered with color and wax, like a maniac, you crumble it into a ball, because that makes sense, rub color into the cracks, melt the wax off, and this is what you get underneath. This is a painting I'm working on in the studio right now. This is the old main building on the Penn State campus. And then what I have to do is I have to go back in after the wax has been removed and do the adjustments, get rid of all the white spots, darken down some areas, maybe put a little bit of white back into the painting. It's a really, really fun technique to learn. And you can see here I have the before and after the corrections with this painting. I went into here, I fixed all the spots, I lightened up some areas, I darkened some areas down. Interested in learning more? I teach small group lessons all over the country. My workshops include lots of step-by-step demonstrations to simplify the batik process. Students receive lots of individual attention and time to paint. I thoroughly explain the process of applying wax, adding color to the paper, creating the cracks in the wax, and then safely removing the wax. It's a great workshop that will inspire you to paint. Learn the art of watercolor batiking now. Please contact me to add this amazing technique to your painting arsenal.